In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to import products from Alibaba to your Wix store. This process is simpler than you think, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. Let's start by installing an application that will facilitate the import of products. In the Wix app market, you can find a variety of dropshipping integration applications at your disposal. A widely used and effective app is called Importify. You'll want to go to the Wix app market, search for Importify, and follow the prompts to install it. You're already one step closer to importing your products. After the app installation, the next step is to connect your Wix store with the app. Each application has its own set of instructions for this process, but don't fret, they're usually straightforward and easy to follow. Importify, for example, will ask you to subscribe to one of their plans. After choosing your plan, you'll need to connect your Wix store with the app. Some apps may also require you to install a Chrome extension for optimal use, so make sure to follow the instructions provided by the app to ensure a seamless connection. Having established a connection between the app and your store, let's move to the exciting bit, importing the products. Head over to Alibaba's product page. While there, you'll need to locate the app's import button, often labeled as Add or Import. This button triggers the magic. With one click, the product information gets pulled into the app. It doesn't stop there. The app opens an editor, which allows you to modify the product's details. This is your chance to personalize the product. You can change the title, alter the description, and adjust the pricing as you deem fit. Now that you've personalized your product the way you want it, the last step is to transition this product onto your Wix store. Across all apps, there's typically a feature that allows you to publish the product directly to your Wix store. After making your edits in the step above, save them and then navigate to this feature. Click on it, and voila! Your product is now live on your store for all your customers to see. And there you have it. You can now not only import products from Alibaba to your Wix store, but also tailor them according to your preferences. Remember, this process gets easier with practice, so don't hesitate to import more products and enhance your Wix store's offerings. I hope this video has been helpful, and best of luck with your dropshipping ventures.